Hi, this is Heather Jensen. This is my video on AJAX. So AJAX is really great with working with a web server. What it can do is it can update a web page without reloading a page. It can request data from a server after the page has been loaded, and it can receive data from a server after the page is loaded, and it can send data to a server. So the nice thing about AJAX is you don't have to completely reload the page each time the information changes. It's some of the examples that it's used for is Facebook, YouTube, Google Maps. Google was one of the first people to start using AJAX. And so here is my examples for AJAX. First example is I decided to just create an example that it gives you a question and then you answer it. Okay, sorry, stop. So here is my script up here. And right here, I am requesting the information. And then this is all of the information. It's actually in another file. Right here is my information that it will send when I hit enter. So, and then down below, right here, so here is my HTML. It's got, and then it's got the on-click button for creating a button. So if we go to my example, it says, what did the snowman say to the other snowman? And then you hit answer. It smells like carrots around here. So it changes each time. And then my other example is I wanted to use a clock, and I wanted to be able to, because our group app is a time clock. For when you go to work, you can clock in from wherever you are. So I wanted to kind of play with that idea. So I used a JavaScript, just regular clock. And then when you hit enter, now this is just the front end. It's not gonna like actually send information for what time you clock in, but when you hit enter, it will tell you welcome. So here's my HTML for it. And then right here is right here. So here's my function for the start of the clock, the check time. Here's my function for the JSON. So it gets the data from this file. So when you hit enter, it'll say welcome. And then when we go over to the other page, so down here we have a running clock, and if you hit clock in, it says welcome. I'm not sure why it bounces back to the clock. I'm sure that, you know, I didn't really spend a lot of time trying to fix that, but later on that will be an issue and we will have to fix it. So anyways, that's kind of what I worked on for this week. Thank you very much for coming.